I think I have to move them slightly there. Right, hold the breath with me, guys. Hold my hands. Ciao beautiful people, welcome back to a very messy craft desk. I'm in the middle of doing other bits, and I thought I will share with you a video collaboration today. This video is part of Antonio and Friends video series. As you guys know, once a month I do a video in collaboration with other YouTube channels and amazing crafters, and it's a great way to do collaborations. So you guys get to know a new crafter, and I'm hoping you guys go and subscribe and support other fabulous content creators that are very, very talented. And today I'm bringing you the lovely Sue, which has got YouTube channel, Facebook and Instagram, called Paper Inspiration. Sue has been crafting for a very, very long time. She is based in Australia, miles away, because where we were chatting about when we're going to post the video, there are 11 hours difference between UK and there. So it's kind of like trying to find the good time to upload both videos at the same time. So Sue will do the same video on her own style, of course. So we decided to do a vintage shaker card of ephemera together. So I'm bringing you my my video, and then Sue is doing her version. So please, once you finish watching this video, please pop over to Sue and subscribe. But I'm sure all of you guys know Sue already. Got an amazing YouTube channel. She's the queen of like Jan Journal, ephemera. She does folios. She uses a lot of fabrics. And also, she's literally today or yesterday uploaded a video of an amazing craft room, and I was like, oh my god, I'm gonna move in. It's a huge space, very, very well organized, very messy like myself, but no, she's very, very talented, very creative. So if you don't know, so please pop over to her channel. Right, so shaker, what I wanted to do, what I just got in my head, I'm using this leftover from a kit from Artimaze. This is the winter, it's like a winter kit. I will put the link down below. I've already done a video showcasing this amazing kit, so just if you click on the info box, you can see the video for your reference, and I will take you straight to the kit. It's basically this gorgeous set. So I'm using, there are 4 cards, so 1, 2, 3 and 4, and then what I did, I glued them on a really thick, I had some scrap cardstock, and I wanted to create like a little folio, so when you open it, you got the shaker here. Now on the front, I don't know if you can, yeah, you can probably see it, I have attached a banner, and it comes in a set of 2, I think, in the kit. So that's one, and that's the other one. And then I use some of the foam pads just to give it that that extra dimension, and I've distressed everything with the black ink. So that's the front, and then we're going to put the shaker here. So I simply glued the 4 cards into a cardstock, created a little folio, just to not to make the video 5 hours long. And just already prepped, this is a piece of acetate sheet, and I'm put the foam pads just to give it that extra dimension. And I'm hoping that I'm not going to be clumsy today, because normally when I do shaker cards, 3/4 of the sequence go on my floor, and 1/4 will actually end up on the card, because as you guys know, I am extremely clumsy. But this is not just with crafting. In my life, I'm just simply clumsy. So if you go, like for instance, downstairs, we got our sofa, recliner sofa, and then on the right hand side, so it's a 3-seat sofa. So it's me, Gap and Jamie. So we watch the TV, and it's a very big sofa, and then in between So there's 3 seats, and then in there is a little table. It's like a coffee table where we put like coffee mugs, and I put my hand creams and chocolates and stuff like that. So every time I lie down and I put my feet up and I had to get up to like I don't know, a drink or glass of water, I always bump my foot on the table. And I know for the fact that we've been living in this house for 4 years, and I know for the fact that that table has been there for 4 years, but no matter what, I always bang my foot. But this is not just with that table, it happens with everything. So I just don't know. I don't know, but it is what it is. So the moment of truth. Oops, stay there, don't go anywhere. So we started. So those sequins, I picked those ones because they are double-sided. So the front, the front one side is got this gorgeous, let's see if I can show you closer, deep, very bright pinkish purplish, and then the back has got this amazing teal, like a metallic teal color. Just gonna put a few more. Yeah, I think that's enough because I don't want to cover the images completely. Might put some more. Right, now when you do the shakers, you just need to make sure the sequins are leveled. What I mean with leveled, that there are no one on top of another, because if you do that and then you put the sheet on top of it, it creates too much thickness. So I think I got some adhesive in there, so I need to make sure they're all flat. So I'm hoping I don't get my head on camera. Apologies if I do. So yeah, get in there. I love shakers. I used to be obsessed with shakers. I used to do loads of projects with shakers, especially birthday cards, and I kind of like not done one in a very long time. In fact, I think I ran out because I was hoping to use some gold sequins, because I remember I had the full bag, but I must have used it all because I can't find it. I mean, to be fair to the state of this room, I can't even find a pencil. I think, oh, just a few more there. I think we're good to go. Right, please work. Don't, you see? Don't start. I think I have to move them slightly there. Right, hold the breath with me, guys. Hold my hands. I just had to move slightly those over that side. Done. You, God. Yes, 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 yes. Done, done. I'm just pressing it a bit. Yes. Okay. What am I gonna do, guys? I'm gonna do off camera again, so don't want to make this video extremely long. Yeah, it's perfect. I'm going to create a little frame to cover the double-sided tape here, because I don't want that to be visible. Okay, so I'm going to do it. Yeah, but it's done. It's perfect. Exactly what I wanted. I might do a little closure of that as well, and I'm going to show you in just a second. But yeah, I'm really pleased. It's not too many, and you can still see the bird. Okay, I'll see you in just a moment. Right, guys, finished, done. So I have used a paper clip as a closure. In fact, this is this is another kit from Artimaze actually, and I just put some little embellishment there, and that is what it looks inside. So simply cut from another card, I cut a little frame, and then just simply fussy cut the holly there, so it's like it's popping out, and that's still the shaker. Okay, and then so that's the back. but I think it looks really pretty. And then you just close it like that, because I was trying to figure out the way to create a little closure without compromising the images, because I love those two birds, and I think that's the really good way for that to stay shut, and that will go anywhere. It can go into your journal, into your cards, you can do anything. Okay, right guys, that's it for today. I hope you guys like this little cute journal slash folio shaker. If you did, guys, please give me a big thumbs up, and don't forget to pop over to Sue and send some love and support. You know, the craft community is so big, and it's so good when you see and meet new crafters. We're all different talented, because we're all quite similar to one another, but every one of us has got a different style and taste and different ways to do things. So yeah, that's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, stay safe and well.